Hello YouTube, this is Dar from DaretoBeCreative, and I am here with the little combo haul from Dollar Tree and Ollies and one thing from Walmart. And I hope you guys are having a beautiful, awesome day and having good weather as well. And I could find my other video. I made like 4 or 5 videos this morning, but anyway, this was one of my paint pens from Walmart. I was looking for it and I had it in the box and stuff. So I bought a couple of little things, some storage stuff from, I can't really see, from, where did I go? Big Lots. And then I also went and I stopped at Ollies. I was looking for napkins. Y'all know I've been on this napkin thing. I'm chilling now, I hope. But anyway, I went to different Ollies, which, you know, Ollies is not really my store, but I go specifically only for specific things, and that would be napkins. And I check periodically, just like a couple times a year. I don't check enough, but I check a couple times a year to see if they have paper. Because these have DCWV. They always carry a color box, but they usually get Mombi and DCWV in, and they used to be like $2.99. And I think they went to $3.99. That's still like a way cool. So I just check every now and then just to see, and then I bounce out. But I went and they always have scrapbook stuff. Not always the best quality, but they always have scrapbook stuff. I did get this 300 photo album for $4.99 because I am going to, my goal is, even though I don't know how sturdy this is going to be, I mean, it's a regular scrapbook album, but I'm going to use it not for photos. I'm going to take these out and I'm going to put my Julie netting. I have the 6x12 sheets and I put them in here because the binder that I have, they just stick out for a little bit too much, and I hate that. I hate them hanging out of the notebook because the notebook I have is 8.5 by 11, so they stick out and they kind of get the tops a little bent, and I don't want to bend my tops up. So I'm going to transfer into here, so that was the reason why I got that. And of course, while I was there, well, I did pick up this little ruler. I thought it was nice to have that little handle, and it's nice and heavy. And what else did I pick up from there? Oh, and a protractor for my grandson. And then, I'm assuming he's going to use it this year. I meant to get a T-square. I don't know. And then, of course, I had to get some napkins, y'all. Look at that. Oh, my God. Like, yeah, like I used to have animal print all in my house. But look at that. Yes. And then they had, I got 2 of those, because I know I'm going to share some of those. Oh, my God. What did I just do the other? I'm missing some. I have some, apparently it must have been in the other box. Can I reach it? Here we go. So the other one I had, I showed you I made the mixed media tag and the ATC cards out of it. It had giraffes on it. This has zebras. So I'm believing, usually when they make patterns, what do you call them? Napkins, they used to make like a series of 4. So this is the giraffe. I mean, I have the giraffe and now I have the zebra. So I'm sure they probably, I think they have the lion and the tiger or something like that. I would love to get the lion one too. So I'm looking for that. And then I did pick this up. I just like the watercolor effect on that one. So that's enough of those. Then I went to the Dollar Tree and my sister was on the phone. Whoops, I'm sorry. I did get this from there. And they've had different varsity sports paper by color box there. And they were more like the photos of different sports. I know my kids play a ton of sports. I can always steal pages out of that for scrapbooking. Talk to my sister on the phone, which is the worst thing to do when I'm shopping. I'll pick that up for me. She's in Georgia. She's got more stores than I have, but anyway, she's like, pick it up. She was talking about one of her friends who loves donuts that was going through a rough period, and she wanted this when she saw it. Get that for her, so I'm going to ship this stuff to Georgia. And I don't know, she's going to make something, she said, with the donuts. And then I show her these. I show her some of the stuff we make for my Zoom scrapbooking with my friends. So she wanted me to go to a couple Dollar Trees, which I did, and I picked up some of the same stuff that I already have, but she wanted it. So like this is one of the things I already have, and I've shown you this before, the Dollar Tree. She thought it was really cute, so she wanted that to try something in her mixed media. She's the one who got me into mixed media years ago. She got this one as well, and then I think there's another, yeah, and then this one. Yep, they're the same ones. Really, she got the same one. I thought I picked up for something different. I made a mistake. I bet you on that one. Because I think the one I was supposed to pick her up was with the sailboat on it. I must have put it down. and grabbed her the wrong one. But anyway, this one with the little balloon dogs, and then she liked these little puffy ones. I have all of these stickers that she already has, but anyway, the only one I didn't have this one, but I'm sending her all of these. So, and you've probably seen me, I posted these before on Instagram. So these stickers are hers, and then what I only got this much for me for the Dollar Tree, which is nice. These cheap earrings, I got these because they look like leaves, and I'm not going to wear these, but I'm going to use these in mixed media. So they're just little background, you know, leaves. And so a lot of stuff like this, like I go buy, you know, our local hair supply stuff right here. I go buy a lot of cheap jewelry, and just you can just take that and, you know, gesso it and paint over it and put it right on your mixed media. Then I did pick this up. This has been out for a while. I mean, a couple of years at the Dollar Tree, and this is just the printed hands and foot baby crepe paper that you can make. So roll that side up, and I also have so many different types of crepe paper, from the chevron striped, birthday party, fiesta, graduation, congratulations, several different baby ones. They have tons of these. So I don't know everybody else's does or not, but we have a lot of different types of those. And then, but this one I got this for $1, and it's really for fabric per se, but there's a couple gel plate things in here, and I just really wanted it for the technique, and for $1, you know, I was like, yeah. I didn't show this to my sister because she would maybe send it to her, I'm sure. I'm going to show it to her when I get finished making this. But look what I forgot to tell you. I found a Dollar Tree, but I only saw one. But it's different types of printing. But if I find another one, I will pick it up and send it to her, because I know she would really love it. But it was just kind of cool. Some of the stuff I already done and tried before, and you know, she showed me before, but I just thought it was really nice to have your own resource. Even if some of the styles or whatever look dated, but it's the technique that I look for. And for $1 to get a reference book on showing you how to use and make and print on fabrics and different things like that, which you can do. Same with these, a lot of these applications you can do on paper as well as it defining the difference in terms, like, you know, types of painting tools, you know, you can use varnishes in here, types of imaging and viscosity, opacity, you know, so drying times, canvas soap, plastic soap. I like that it's just described in detail, so it's a nice reference book for $1. So don't play with the Dollar Tree. You can find some nice craft books. I don't know what year this was. Let's see, 2014. But still, I mean, the definitions and things like that are great. So I'm excited for that for $1. So that is my little crafty haul. For liking, watching, subscribing, and I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless.